Today let's learn to use the new Search by Tieup feature on handweaving.net. If you're already familiar with our same threading or search by threading feature, this will feel very similar except that it works with tie-ups instead of threadings. This feature was suggested by at least 5 different owners of countermarch looms where the tie-up is cumbersome, and it's intended to help you find patterns that you can weave without having to change the tie-up once you've done it. So to begin, let's start with a draft that's already on the site, number 22400. And there it is. It's a 12 shaft pattern. So there's a new entry on the Actions menu, same tie-up, and it shows you how many different drafts on the site have the same tie-up as the one that you've chosen. So let's click that. And there they are, 3 different patterns. So if you had a loom and you'd done this particular tie-up, you could weave any of these if you changed the threading and or the treadling. All right, let's look at another one. Number 33553. There it is. This one's got 68 different drafts with the same tie-up. Let's look at those. And here are just a few of them. See, the tie-up is the same as the one that we selected, except for this one. Now, why is this here? Well, if we click on it and we rethread it to have a straight threading or a straight treadling, then the tie-up is the same. So that's in the results because you could actually weave that on the same tie-up if you change it that way. So let's go back. And this is the original draft that we did the search for. So let's rethread it. And you can see that right now, as it is the same tie-up, there's 68 drafts just like we saw. But if we take it and we do stuff to it, if we turn it and we straighten the threading, now the tie-up is different, and you can see that this same tie-up only lists 12 drafts because that's all that either have this tie-up or could be converted to it. So let's see what those are. And here they are. So the second one has the exact same tie-up, and the rest of these don't have the exact same tie-up now, but they could. So here's the tie-up, and if we choose one of these, and if we straighten it, and then we turn it, there's the tie-up that we searched for. Okay, so that's how to use the feature with drafts that are already on the site. You can also use it with drafts that maybe aren't part of handweaving.net but are on your loom. So let's learn how to do that. If we click the Drafts menu and then search for drafts, and then search by tie-up, there are 2 options. You can either enter a tie-up by hand, or if you have a WIF file because you already have weaving software, you can upload it. So let's do the upload first. And I'll just choose one. And there it is. So now if I click Find Drafts with Same Tie-up, it will show me that 12 drafts on the site have that. The first 2 appear to be the same as the one that I uploaded, but these other ones are not. So let's do that again, and this time we'll enter a tie-up by hand instead of uploading a file. So I'll go to Drafts, search for drafts, search by tie-up, and now I'm going to enter my own tie-up. So I'm going to choose 6 shafts, 6 shafts and 6 treadles, enter tie-up, and now I can just enter it right here by clicking the cells in the tie-up grid that came up. There. So now if I hit Find Drafts with Same Tie-up, here they are. So that's the entire feature. Hope you use it to weave something beautiful, and thanks for watching.